Aloha! Welcome to KTA Quick and Ono Recipes. I'm Chef Ryan Covert, and today we're going to make curry deviled eggs. Let's get started. To hard boil eggs, place the eggs in a pot of cold water covered by 1 inch of water. Bring the eggs to a boil over medium-high heat, then cover with a lid. Remove from the heat and set aside 8 to 10 minutes. Remove lid and scoop the eggs into ice water bath. Peel the eggs. Cut the peeled eggs in half lengthwise. Separate the yolks from the whites. Place the yolks in a mixing bowl and the egg whites into a serving platter. Add the mayonnaise, cilantro, sriracha, curry powder, salt and pepper to the egg yolks and mash together with a fork. Take a quart-sized plastic bag and fold to keep open. Spoon the egg yolk mixture into it. Cut a small corner portion of one side of the bottom of the bag, making a pastry bag. Squeeze the filling into the center of the egg whites and garnish with cilantro if desired. Enjoy immediately or chilled for later. A perfect appetizer for a must-have item on your Easter buffet. For this recipe and more, visit KTA Superstores.com/recipes.